guys, welcome back to my channel for another new video. For today's video I have my Ipsy bag unbagging for the month of February. I'm sorry this video is a little bit late, but my Ipsy bag took a little bit to get here, so we're not going to talk about that, but I'm really excited for this month. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it is a $10 month subscription and you get 5 sample products from different makeup brands, skincare, hair care, nail polish. Depends on what you take your quiz. You can specify what kind of items you like, and then based on your quiz, Ipsy will send you 5 products a month based on what they think you would like. It's a really great way to try different brands of makeup that you might not have tried before if you weren't subscribed to Ipsy. I really love Ipsy. I was unsubscribed for a while, but then I came back and I do like it. I might switch over to another one, honestly, because I feel like this is really good for beginners, but if you're more into makeup and enjoy makeup more, I would suggest maybe going to one that is a little bit more pricey per month. I think I might be doing that next month, but we will see. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Ipsy unbagging. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well to notify you every time that I upload. So if you guys want to see me do my Ipsy unbagging, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so getting started, let's go ahead and open the package. It's hard to get into. So let's see. There's nothing in the packaging. Ooh, this bag is cute. Look at the lace. I really like that. That's really, really cute. I like that a lot. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's pretty light, but we'll see. Let's read the card. It says unzipped. That's cool. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, age, or shape, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real, it's confidence. It's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness the Ipsy way, aka your way. Head to the Ipsy app to meet our unzipped crew, find out how we're changing the way the world sees sexy, and learn everything you need to know about your 5 glam bag picks. And make sure to check out Shopper where you get 10 to 30% cash back for every single purchase. That's cool. So this is what the picture looks like. It's just like a whole bunch of people. Really cute. So let's start off with this. Ooh, Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. I don't know. It says it right here. Ibby Beauty. Cute. I like the packaging. I love that like kind of blush nude color. Gorgeous. If I could open it. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh, I like that. Oh yeah, that's my kind of shade right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's right there. It's really like a peachy gold. This will be beautiful in the summertime. I really like that. Ooh, and is the eyeshadow? Sis. That's so cute. So that's a really good sample because like you don't need a lot of highlight, and highlight goes a long way. So that's really nice. I like that. It's a great size, great color for my skin tone as well. Let's go ahead. Ooh, what's this? Foiled Again mask. It is by Marsk London. I don't know what that is, but I'm guessing it's a face mask. I mean, this is pretty tiny. I don't know what to do with it, but that's cute. Let's see, what is this? Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Ooh! This product contains vitamin A. Use with caution if taking dietary supplements or using other vitamin A products. That's cool. Let's see, is it really pink? Oh, it has the cover on it. It is pretty pink. I'm squeezing it. It's pink. That's cool. I love a face mask. It's kind of weird that I got 2 face masks for this Ipsy bag, but I mean, I'm not complaining. What is this? Hey honey, come undone face and eye daily makeup remover. I needed a new eye makeup remover because I've been using olive oil and it's been working great, but sometimes I just don't feel like buying olive oil and I'm lazy. So this is like great. It says it's all skin types, 100% natural ingredients. It says gentle and effective eye and face makeup remover, breaks down even waterproof formulas, rich in antioxidants and moisture. This exceptionally gentle product leaves skin fresh and makeup free. Safe for use around eyes and on sensitive skin. With moist fingertips, massage a small amount into the skin, rinse to remove. I hate the word moist. But this is really cool. This is a nice size sample too. It's pretty big. It's not like just a little foil packet or something. I really like that. The last product is a brush. It's by Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. I've gotten all of my Luxie brushes from Ipsy, but it just has one side is a shader brush and the other is kind of like a blending brush. I love the pink and gold barrel Luxie brushes. They are my favorite. They are so, so good and they're super duper soft, and I think that even applying this shadow brush with the highlighter that you got on your lids, girl, that would be such a cute look for summertime. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below. But that is it for all of these products, guys. It's really a simple, short Ipsy video for this time. So here we have the brush. We have this detoxifying mask, this eye makeup remover, another mask, as well as the highlighter. So I think this is a pretty good Ipsy bag. I'm really satisfied with it. I think if I was a first-time makeup wearer or not really knowing what to do with makeup, I think that this is an awesome, awesome bag to get. I think that definitely your makeup only looks as good as the skin you have under it. So I think that taking care of your skin is really, really important when it comes to makeup, and I love that Ipsy does include skincare products in their bags because I think that that is super, super important. And like I said, I love this bag. It is so cute, like to carry around with. Like, it's not coming up as like pinky blush and on camera as it is in person, but this black lace, oh, this was so cute. Like I said, if you guys like Ipsy bag baggings, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!